So, the governor of New York just extended our lockdown to May 15th. And who knows, he may extend it again. But for those of you who are at home and have kind of watched more Netflix than is probably healthy for any of us, eaten more chocolate, laid around on your couch and actually have worn a hole in the cushion. I want to see if you are ready and willing to reach out and do a virtual organizing session with me. 1 hour free. We'll just do it on Zoom because I'm sure you're used to doing Zoom calls by now. And we can talk about a project that you want to work on, come up with some strategies on how to get it done. Because we really have had about a month or 6 weeks, in my case, of getting used to whatever this new normal is. And if we think about what we want to do to make our experience feel less like we're stranded on a desert island without any idea what day of the week it is. I keep having to ask my family, what day is today? Because I have no idea. But I want to help you feel like you're actually doing something productive, doing something that's a gift to yourself for the person you're going to be after this is over. And I can give you some strategies on how to get those things done. I'd love for you to go to my website. It's organizeme-inc.com. And you're going to be having an hour with Janine Sarna-Jones, certified professional organizer and move manager and owner of the company. And hopefully at the end of that hour, you'll feel energized, relaxed, because my superpower is being able to help people feel like that they are actually calmer than they were before. And I want to share that with you. I want you to know how much I care about people. And I don't have a way of helping people who are really, truly in crisis, as so many of our first responders in the hospitals are. But this is something I can do for you. So please, organizeme-inc.com. Go contact me. Let me know that you're interested in doing a virtual session, and we'll set you up and schedule it. And the next thing you know, you'll feel like you've actually done something during this total insane time. Hope to talk to you soon and see you on Zoom.